Hello everyone, this is Meena Kumari from BVC Engineering College. I am going to explain about operating modes of 8255. If you see 8255, it has three ports, port A, port B, port C. To these ports we can connect any I/O device. As we have three ports and each port size is 8, total 24 I/O lines are present in 8255. So by using 8255, we can connect 24 I/O devices to the CPU. And this port function can be changed either as input port or output port by using control word register. It is the register present internally in 8255. If you do the programming to the control word register, then the particular port function can be changed. 8255 can be operated in two modes. Those are BSR mode and I/O mode. In BSR mode, this is the bit set reset mode. It is applicable only for port C, not for port A and port B. The name, it says bit set reset. One bit can be set or reset. The port C size is 8 bit. So 8 bits are available in port C, but only one bit can be set and reset. So in order to select one bit among 8 bits, we need 3 bits. This is the control word format for BSR mode. The control word register size is 8 bit. So the bits are from D0 to D7. The first bit is used to set or reset. And particular bit can be selected by using bits D3, D2, D1. Suppose if you place 0, 0, 0 in D3, D2, D1 positions, then we can select PC0, the first pin. If you place 0, 0, 1, PC1 can be selected. For selection of PC7, the bits are 1, 1, 1. And next three bits are don't care. And the last one is the MSB bit position for control word register. And this bit must be 0 for BSR mode. It indicates that if its value is 0, it is the mode BSR mode. If it is 1, this mode is I/O mode. Next mode is I/O mode, and this is the control word format for I/O mode. If you see the first bit position, the first bit that is used for port C lower. You know that in 8255 block diagram, you may find group A and group B. Group A contains port A and port C upper. Group B contains port B and port C lower. And group B can be operated in two modes, mode 0 and mode 1. Group A can be operated in three modes, mode 0, mode 1, mode 2. Okay. And the first bit is used for port C lower. If you want to operate port C lower as an input, then we need to place 1 in this bit position. For output, 0 should be placed in this bit position. And next bit is used for port B. 1 for input, 0 for output. And group B mode selection can be selected by the bit D2. If you place 0, mode 0 will be selected. If you place 1, mode 1 will be selected. And the next bit is used for port C upper. 1 is for input, 0 for output. And the next bit is used for port A. And mode selection can be selected by using 2 bits as it contains 3 modes. If you place 0, 0, mode 0 will be activated. 0, 1, mode 1 will be selected. If you place 1, 0 or 1, 1, mode 2 will be selected. And the last bit, MSB bit position for I/O mode is 1. For BSR mode, its value is 0. I/O mode itself contains again 3 modes. Those are mode 0, mode 1, mode 2. Let us see mode 0. Mode 0 can also be called as basic I/O mode. In mode 0, all 3 ports are available, port A, port B, port C. These 2 ports can be used as 8-bit I/O ports. Port C can be used as 2 4-bit I/O ports because port C is divided into port C upper and port C lower. If you want to use an 8-bit port, we can use port C. Otherwise, we can use it as 2 4-bit I/O ports. In this mode, handshaking is not possible. So, in mode 0, we cannot connect slower devices. Next, come to mode 1. Mode 1 can also be called as strobed input-output mode. Handshaking is possible in mode 1. In mode 1, port A, port B are available, and this port A, port B can be operated as either input port or output port. And port C is completely used for handshaking. Actually, two types of handshaking are there: input handshaking and output handshaking. For input handshaking, we need 3 signals. For output handshaking, we need 3 signals. These 3 signals for input 3, for output 3. These 3 signals, a total 6 signals can be generated by using port C. For input handshaking, we need these 3 signals: strobe, input buffer, full, and INTR, interrupt. For output handshaking, these 3 signals are needed. Okay, these 3 signals are generated by using port C for input handshaking, and these 3 signals are generated by using port C. So, when you operate port A and port B in mode 1, total 6 signals are generated by the port C. You know that port C size is 8-bit. 6 bits are used, and nothing but 6 lines are used for handshaking. We have left with 2 lines. These 2 lines can be used as simple data transfer IO lines. Next one, come to mode 2. Mode 2 can also be called as strobed bidirectional IO. In mode 2, port A can be used as bidirectional handshake IO port. That means bidirectional means it can be used at a time input port or output port. And it is a handshake IO port. That means for input handshaking we need 3 handshake signals. For output handshaking we need 3 handshake signals. In both input and output handshaking signals, 1 handshake signal is common. So total we need 5 handshake signals whenever a port can be used as bidirectional handshake IO port. Total 5 handshake signals are needed. These 5 handshake signals can be generated from port C. You know that the port C size is 8-bit, and we are using 8 lines for generating we are using 5 lines for generating 5 handshake signals, so 3 are left. Suppose come to the next port B. Here port A is used as bidirectional handshake IO port, bidirectional port, and come to port B. Port B can be operated in 2 modes, mode 0 and mode 1. If you operate port B in mode 0, then what about these 3 lines? If you operate port B in mode 0, these 3 lines can be used as simple data transfer IO lines. Suppose if you operated, that is the second case, if you operated port B in mode 1 position, mode 1 support handshaking. Suppose port B is functioned either as input port or output port. Okay, whatever it may be. For input also we need 3 handshake signals. For output also we need 3 handshake signals. So whatever the lines left, those 3 lines are used for handshaking. So if you operate port A as bidirectional and port B in mode 1, then the complete port C is used for handshaking signals only. Okay. Thank you.